How to get these Google UGCs for free. Search up Bayside High School and join. Sadly, the headphones are out of stock. Go to the math classroom. Talk to the teacher and answer the questions. Just click the boxes. Talk to him again. Go back to Spawn and claim the jersey. Now talk to the science teacher at the garden. Use the Google Lens to take pictures of the things it wants and find the answers to the questions after taking pictures. Talk to the Dino and claim the skateboard. Now go over here and talk to her. Use this telescope. Answer these questions. I'm back at Spawn to claim the backpack. That's all. Enjoy.